Alright, well that's about all I got. So the repository is out there. Everything is open access. Obviously some of these things are not things you want to run on an unprotected system. If you're opening up network sockets, if you're letting people send in bash commands and execute them, you know, there's no error checking, there's no password protection, all that kind of stuff. So you wouldn't want to do this on a system that's kind of exposed to the outside environment. But you know, these are just examples, proofs of concept, just to give you an idea of the kinds of devices. There's also a GPIO device that I made, but that only runs on the Raspberry Pi because it needs to talk through the I2C bus. So I'm going to wait until I have my actual PiDP built and running, and then go ahead and hook up GPIO, and I'll spin out another video showing that code. But you can find the source code for it in here and see how I've set up the interface. And it's basically, you know, tri-state registers for input output, a bit you set to send the contents of the data register to all the outputs, a bit you set to send a single bit to a single pin. You put the pin number in here and you put the value in here, or a way to read all of the pins, and you can turn on interrupts, so if any input changes it fires an interrupt request. And that all works. I've tested it, but it's a pretty messy circuit board right now, so I'll do another video for that in a few days. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.